Introducing SatPack, a portable, compact, and fast-deploying satellite communication terminal that brings connectivity anywhere in minutes. SatPack is built for simplicity. Here's how you set it up in under 15 minutes. Unpack the equipment. Set up the tripod and secure the mounting pole. Mount the motorized chassis and antenna. Flip the boom arm down from the antenna. Install the RTK sensors on each side of the antenna. Plug in the auto pointing control box and connect the corresponding cables. Turn on the unit and watch as SatPack aligns itself with the satellite for optimal signal performance. Once you're done, simply power down the system and repack it. It's ready for your next deployment.
Kacific, the heart of broadband.